Hi, Esther. I just wanted to check in with you after reading your paper on leadership. It was interesting to read and get a kind of a handle on how you view leadership, and also as a team leader, the different things that you see of a high concern. And then there were some areas I was hoping that maybe in your next paper you could expand on. And one of those areas was just some language that you use when you write. You said, I will handle multiple books of business. I think multiple books, that might be a language that you use in your particular business area. It's not something I'm familiar with. And I know there's all kinds of acronyms and different sayings. So sometimes the slangs, it's nice if you say what that means. You're a little more clear for the reader to get a better picture. And then moving forward, when you ended your paper and you talked about some of those experiences you've had with negative experiences with managers and supervisors, I thought that was very reflective. And I think it helps us grow even those negative experiences that you shared. There were great non-examples of as you grow into a leader and obtain these higher leadership roles that you are looking for, that you remember to treat people how you want to be treated. And that's what that closing reminded me of. One thing that I'd like to see in your next paper is that when you finish your paper, I'd like to see some kind of conclusion, something that ties all those thoughts together. And you see how I highlighted them? A team leader, my career goal, and then a few of those non-examples. And then for me, the paper just kind of ended. And I needed a concluding statement that synthesized those experiences and how, as a leader, that affects your career moving forward. And when you go to the top, a real minor thing, but something moving forward in all of your classes you have to be aware of. The APA format, you just put the header, leadership and career paper. What you really want to do on that very first paper, and I gave you an example up on the top, you want to add that word running head. And it is just on the cover page. And I also, in my notes, I gave you a quick link right to the APA template that Olivet has so nicely, realizing these courses are accelerated, so they've made it easy for you. Just click on that link, and this page comes up, and you just fill in your information. It's really nice. And I look forward to reading your next paper and learning more about you and your future career goals. Thank you and have a great evening. And if you have any questions, I'm just an email away. Thanks. Bye.